Ever felt that sinking feeling as you flip through the pages of an exam paper, your heart pounding against your chest? You're not alone. Every year, millions of students around the world face the pressure of acing exams. And guess what? The pressure is real, but there's a science to it. Science has so much to say about how we process, retain, and retrieve information. Why not ace those exams? Because, when we understand how our brains work, we can make our studying more efficient. In this video, we're going to unlock 7 study tips to help conquer your exams. Understanding our brain and the basics of memory and learning. Before we delve into the practical strategies for studying, let's have a look at the complex machine that's running the show, our brain. It's an intricate labyrinth of neurons, neurotransmitters, and synapses, all busily chatting with each other. Memory is an astonishing process that happens inside this labyrinth. When we learn something new, a neural pathway is formed, like a trail in the wilderness. With repetition, this path becomes a well-trodden road, making it easier for us to recall information. But there's more to learning than just memory, it's essential info. It's like saying a car is just an engine. What about the gearbox, the tires, the steering? Our cognitive processes, attention, comprehension, critical thinking, they're all integral parts of learning, not just bystanders in this grand spectacle. Now that we've touched the tip of this colossal iceberg known as our brain, let's put on our explorer hats and journey through the 7 strategies that can help with your studies. 1. Dual coding, combining visuals and text. Dual coding is a simple yet effective technique that combines visuals and text. Combining two great things to make something even better. Imagine reading about the solar system. Now, picture a beautiful, detailed illustration of our sun and the orbiting planets. Do you feel the difference? That's the power of dual coding at work. But wait, there's more. Science tells us our brain has 2 separate channels for processing visual and verbal information. By using dual coding, we engage both these channels, making our learning richer, deeper, and let's admit, a whole lot more fun. Remember, it's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. 2. Metacognitive strategies, thinking about thinking. Metacognition is, in simple terms, thinking about thinking. It's like your brain wearing a detective hat and doing some introspective sleuthing. Why is this important? Well, imagine studying without knowing how well you're grasping the material. It's akin to sailing a ship without a compass, no sight of land or direction. Metacognition gives you that direction, that internal compass. The key here is awareness. By regularly pausing, questioning, and assessing our understanding, we can adjust our study techniques accordingly. It's like our brain's very own, personalized GPS. Moreover, practicing metacognition has been linked to improved academic performance. So, it's not just cool, it's effective too. 3. Active recall, engaging the mind. Picture this. Our brain is not just a sponge that soaks up information. It's a powerful, agile athlete that needs to flex its muscles and break a sweat. That's where active recall comes into play. Active recall is all about actively retrieving information from your memory. Reading and highlighting? Those are passive. Active recall is like stepping into the ring, ready to engage. When you test yourself, ask questions, or explain a concept without peeking at the notes, you're practicing active recall. You're not just memorizing, you're understanding, connecting, and conquering. That's the power of active recall. Research shows this strategy enhances retention and understanding, boosting your performance. So, next time you study, don't just passively read. Engage, retrieve, conquer. 4. Feynman technique, learning by teaching. Named after the legendary physicist Richard Feynman, this technique is all about learning by teaching. When we teach something, we don't just repeat facts. We dissect it, we dive deep, we unravel complexities, and we build a story. It's like being a detective and a storyteller, all at once. That's the beauty of the Feynman technique. With this method, you're not just stuffing facts into your mind. Instead, you're understanding, digesting, and explaining in simple terms. And in this process, you strengthen your comprehension, making the knowledge truly your own. So, next time you're grappling with a tough concept, try to explain it to someone else, or even to yourself. You'll be amazed by the clarity you gain. 5. Chunking, breaking down information. Chunking is all about breaking down mammoth-sized information into digestible, bite-sized pieces. It's like eating an elephant, one bite at a time. Why chunking, you ask? Let's be honest, Who hasn't felt overwhelmed by a mountain of information at some point? Chunking helps by simplifying complexity, making it easier for our brains to process and remember the material. Think of it like packing for a trip. You don't throw everything into your suitcase in one go. No, you sort things into categories, making it easier to pack and find items. That's exactly what chunking does to information. So, next time you're studying, don't gulp down all the information at once. Break it down, chunk it. Make it easy for your brain. 6. Mindfulness and concentration. You see, studying isn't just about techniques and strategies. It's also about the state of our mind, the focus and the tranquility we bring to our learning journey. Mindfulness is a simple concept with a profound impact. It's all about being present, immersing ourselves in the moment. It's about replacing the static noise of distractions with the melody of focus. With mindfulness, we give our full attention to what we're studying. We're not just reading words or looking at images. We're fully engaged, our brain and the material dancing in perfect harmony. Research shows that mindfulness improves memory and academic performance. So, it's not just peaceful, it's powerful. 7. Hydration and nutrition. Like a car running on high-quality fuel and fluids, our brains thrive on good hydration and nutrition. It's the combo that keeps the cognitive engine purring. Let's talk about water first. Did you know your brain is about 75% water? Staying hydrated is vital for maintaining brain health, impacting concentration, alertness, and short-term memory. It's like quenching the thirst of a parched traveler. And then comes nutrition. Those fruits, veggies, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats aren't just filling your stomach, they're feeding your brain. A well-nourished brain means improved focus, memory, and cognitive abilities. It's like nourishing a garden for the most vibrant blooms. So, remember to hydrate, nourish, and give your brain the care it needs. And with that, we wrap up our incredible journey. But remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. So, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep acing those exams. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more.